Hello friends, K of Hearts Designs back once again with a useful design tutorial. I can't wait to share this amazing secret with you. Now you can create stunning product advertisements like these in seconds using Gemini AI and some Canva tweaks. So ready to set fire? First, here are some products that I need to create advertisements for. These can be obtained from the clients, or you can use Canva to download product images and ChatGPT to generate product descriptions. These could be for Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media where you want to advertise your products. Next, let's go to Google Gemini and upload our first product and description. I am asking Gemini to create a creative ad graphic using this image and use the description below. Also, please make sure to select Create Images under Tools. Create Images is a new feature of Gemini, and it allows you to create lots of images using free account. It is quite generous. Wow! Look at that! This design looks professional as if created by a professional graphic designer. There are only a few small issues that we need to fix. For example, the heading is not big and distinct. Let's fix that in Canva. I'll erase the heading above using Magic Erase and try to create something more enticing. When you click on text, you can see lots of pre-made font pairings available that you can use for headings. Just make sure the heading style matches the theme of the design. Let's experiment with the color and style on the bottom bike name and tagline. Please note the most important title should be largest and other elements should be smaller, and so on to maintain clear visual hierarchy. Let's add a popping color to our heading to catch the eye. You can use the color from the image itself. So we are done. Let's download our advertisement, and you can now post it on your social media platform like Facebook and Instagram. Our next product is a hamburger. Let's paste the image and description in Gemini and ask it to create a creative advertisement. Please don't forget to select Create Images under Tools. Look at that. This ad also looks good, but we need to adjust a few things. We need to add some space and remove some text and change the heading. So let's upload this to Canva and edit it. One thing I can instantly notice is the design is tight. There is not much space or breathing room. We need to fix that. Let's add a more stylish font for the main heading, which should be attractive and catchy. Don't be afraid to remove elements. Sometimes a design gets better by removing extra elements rather than keep adding. I am creating some space around elements here by using different tools like Magic Expand and Magic Erase. Let's add a nice accent color for our call to action button, since that should be visible instantly. We also add a pointer as decorative element to the design. Adding a QR code is an effective marketing strategy. It also adds visual interest to the design. You can experiment with the placement to see where it looks best. So I don't like that line strip at the bottom. Let's erase that and refine the design a little bit, and we should be done. Our next product is a gaming chair, so let's repeat the same process. AI is getting good day by day, but as you can see, AI doesn't completely replace designers, at least not till now. We still need a good eye on design, so we can spot issues with the design like low contrast, tight composition, hierarchy issues, etc., and we can fix those in Canva. I will again make the main title a little more interesting and consistent with the gaming theme. This font looks like it suits gaming theme. So little more decoration, and our design is ready to launch. Next, we need to create ad for an energy drink. Let's do the same process. Wow! What a creative graphics! I couldn't have thought of this concept. AI is a very good friend of a creative in today's times. It makes mistakes, but there we designers need to help. I am contracting the whole content and using Magic Expand to add a little bit of white space. Also, let's make the title a little bit larger to balance the design and add a little more emphasis on the title. Our final product is a VR headset. So let's do the same process. Just mind-blowing. Look at the details in the design. How could it have thought about all these things? The image looks great. Just one thing I notice is maybe we can improve on the main title. I am introducing a little bit contrast on the main title by stylizing the middle VR word. I am picking a style consistent with the tech theme. So there you have it. 5 product advertisements in 16 minutes. What do you think about this process of creating product advertisements? Please leave comments. If you have enjoyed as much as I did, please like, share, and subscribe. One important thing to note is although AI is getting better at design, it doesn't completely replace graphic designers. There is always a need of principles, and an eye for design, so AI complements designers and is a good friend. We should use AI as much as possible to enhance our creativity and process. Thanks for watching. See you soon.